Click the subscribe button. Click the bell icon for all the new updates from our channel. Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today's recipe is a deep, dark chocolate recipe. This is chocolate souffle. If your souffle got that small little rise from the ramekin, it indicates you followed the perfect recipe. Before starting the recipe, you need to butter your ramekins very well. Now add some sugar and coat it completely. Keep it aside and take some egg whites in a large bowl and start beating it. Once it turns frothy, add powdered sugar and blend it till you get stiff peaks. Now let's make the chocolate mixture. Into a pan, add in fresh cream, milk, mix it really well. And heat it on a low flame till you get some bubbles on the sides. Then add in some grated dark chocolate and keep it aside for 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, slowly mix it. Now you can see with the heat of the cream and milk, the chocolate got completely melted. Add in some cocoa powder and some water. You can use the room temperature water and mix it. Once it cools down a bit, add in 2 egg yolks and mix it together. Now into the chocolate mixture, add around 1/4 cup of the egg whites and mix it really well. And then add the rest of the egg whites and slowly fold that in. Now add this souffle mixture into the prepared ramekins. And after filling the ramekin, you should give a tap to get rid of the air bubbles, or it may rise from one side and then collapse. Create a small ridge on the sides using your thumb. Now it's time to bake. Now bake these soufflés on 190 for 15 minutes. And after baking, don't open the oven for first 20 minutes. Let it set inside the oven itself. But don't keep it for a longer time, then it won't come out perfect. Look at that, our perfectly risen chocolate soufflés. You can dust it with some powdered sugar and dig in. This has a very silky, smooth, chocolatey texture. A perfect chocolate feast for the chocolate lovers. So definitely try it out and let me know in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.